Hi everyone, welcome to week 6. So congratulations that you finished the first project. You did a great job, and now it's time for our second project, web business presentation. So in this project, we still have 3 weeks to finish the whole project. The first week, the week 6, is only for the preparation and learn some presentation tools. And the second week is at what time you need to finish your own slides. And the last week, week 8, you need to finish you need to record your presentation video and submit the video as a final product. And now I'm going to show you the week 6 page. So this week we have 6 tasks in total. And the first one is watch this video. And the second one is very important for the whole project is to read the requirements. So I need some requirements for the second project, and also I need a bunch of topics you could use in this second project. So in this project, you need to choose one business topic to do a presentation. So you can choose topic from the list topics, or you can choose one topic from this website. Okay, let's go back to page. So after you choose your topic, you need to search for the materials or resources by your own. So try to use Google or University Online Library to find the articles or some other materials that could help you understand this topic, and also you need to share your own thoughts on this topic. So this is the main aim for this project. And the task 4 is about the reading and watching. So in these 3 weeks, I will keep posting some articles and videos can help you to build a powerful presentation. So you have enough time to learn how to build an effective presentation. So this week we need to watch a video, and also you need to read this article. And in task 5, use the Padlet to share your reflections. So as you also need to you still need to mention your name in your reflection. And the task 6 is the list of presentation tools. So I list 3 tools, which are Prezi, Emaze, and Canva. So all of them are free tools. So I also provide some examples and tutorial videos. So you need to watch and read them before you make a decision. So after watching all of the videos and after exploring all of the examples, you need to choose one tool that you want to use in this project. So that's all for week 6. If you have any question, please send an email to me. I will reply as soon as possible. So this is a very interesting project. I hope you will enjoy it, and I'm really looking forward to your presentation in the next 2 weeks. Thank you so much.